There will be times when you need to create a fresh Salesforce org for any number of reasons. To do this, log into your partner business org. From here, you're going to select the app icon in the top left-hand corner of your org, search Environment Hub, and click Environment Hub to open the app. Select Create Org. A modal window will pop up requesting information specific to your new org. For the purpose, select Test Demo. For Create Using, leave it as Standard Edition. For Edition, leave it as Partner Enterprise. For org name in My Domain, you can name it whatever you wish, but make sure it's descriptive so that you can identify it easily later on. Under Admin User, you will set the name and username of the first user in the org you are creating. Note that the email cannot be changed. It's recommended that you use your own account to log in, as an email will be sent to the listed email address to finalize your org and user setup. Once the information is completely filled out, check that you've agreed to the Master Subscription Agreement and click Create. The creation of your org may take some time, but when it is completed, you will receive an email like the one pictured advising you to complete the setup process. After you receive the email and complete setup, you can refresh your environments list and your org will be available.